viewers, welcome to my knowledge sharing channel. Happy knowing the information. This video is about the top Earth facts part 2. Leonardo da Vinci's studies of river erosion convinced him that Earth is much older than the Bible implies. 359 years after the Catholic Church forced Galileo Galilei to recant his theory that the Earth moves around the Sun, it declared he was right in 1992. The temperature of Earth's core, about 6000 degrees centigrade, is as hot as the surface of the Sun. Earth's core is believed to be a mix or alloy of iron and nickel, giving Earth its own magnetic field. If you drilled a tunnel straight through Earth and jumped in, it would take you about 42 minutes to get to the other side. The deepest drill, penetrated just 12,000 meters into Earth's crust, is on the Kola Peninsula in the Arctic Russia. As Earth turns, the stars come back to the same place in the night sky every 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4.09 seconds. This is a sidereal day or a star day. Earth's orbital speed averages about 30 km per second, that is 107,800 km per hour, which is fast enough to cover the planet's diameter in 7 minutes and the distance to the moon in 4 hours. Earth is rotating on its axis at a rate of 0.5 km per second at the equator, about 30 km per second of the Sun, and about 220 km per second orbiting the center of the Milky Way. Earth's magnetic field is responsible for deflecting the solar wind, charged particles that come from the Sun. Earth is the only place in the solar system where a total solar eclipse can happen. The extra speed of Earth at the equator flings it out in a bulge, while it is flattened at the poles. X-rays cannot reach Earth's atmosphere, so astronomers can only detect them using space telescopes such as Rosat. Fossil evidence suggests that fish have been on Earth for about 530 million years. North America is the oldest continent on Earth, has rocks that are almost 4,000 million years old. Asia is the world's largest continent and has huge climate extremes, from cold polar climate in the north to hot tropical one in the south. Africa is the second largest and the warmest continent in the world, lying almost entirely within the tropics or subtropics. On an average, the continents move 2 cm every year. 80% of volcanic eruptions happen underwater. Each volcano and each eruption are slightly different. A volcano has a lifespan of 1,000,000 years and not erupt for several centuries. The Amazon River in South America is the longest river in the world at 6,990 km. The Huanghe or Yellow River in China, one of the world's longest river at 5,465 km, is called China's sorrow because its floods are so devastating. There are at least 3,000 different species of fish living in the Amazon River. New species are constantly being discovered. The Congo River, one of the oldest rivers, is believed to have formed approximately 1.5 to 2 million years ago. Tectonic plates typically slide 4 or 5 centimeters past each other in a year. In a slip that triggers a major quake, and they can slip more than 1 meter in a few seconds. The Richter scale measures the magnitude of 1 to 10, and the most powerful earthquake ever recorded was 9.5. There are about 500,000 detectable earthquakes in the world each year. 100,000 of those can be felt and 100 of them cause damage. The largest earthquake ever recorded was a magnitude of 9.5 in Chile back in 1960. About 141,000 square kilometers on the South Pacific Ocean floor is home to over 1,130 active volcanic cones and seamounts. Atlantic Ocean, the world's second largest ocean at its widest point between Spain and Mexico, is 9,600 kilometers across. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for more facts. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.